Hello guys, welcome to my today's video. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you guys how to run Pinterest ads successfully. In my previous videos about social media, this is the only aspect I have not touched because I waited for the right time to get everything done successfully. And right now I have a very good Pinterest account to do this, which is already showing ads here, and everything is showing normal way I want it to show, guys. So guys, before I dive into today's tutorial, I need your favor on something. Kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and comment in the comment section below once you try this and it works out very well and you're able to live your buyers ads or your personal ads successfully. Just tell me in the comment below. Thank you very much, Questionnaire. I really tried this and it worked out very well for me. Good. Let me dive right straight into today's tutorial. As I am right now, I'm on the home page of my Pinterest account. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to go right to this corner here. I'm going to click on ads. As you can see, once I click on this ad, there will be a drop down of series of options. As you can see, promote a pin, first link, create campaign, promote a pin, overview, reporting, customer reports, bulk editor, conversions, audience, ads account history, billing, catalogs, and recommendations. So the thing I want to explain in this video today is create campaign. Click on create campaign, guys. Once you don't click on creating campaign, you're going to wait for a while. Okay, my connection is fast today. So once you wait for a while, you will see this page right here, guys. So the thing we want to do is we are not going to automate campaign, we want to manual campaign. I'm going to click on manual campaign. As you can see, guys, when you click on manual campaign, we're going to click on get started. So I'm going to click on get started now, and as you can see right on my screen here, there are different type of ads that you can run on Pinterest as well, and there's different on Facebook as other social media accounts, as well as Pinterest, as well as Twitter, and lots more. So the three type of ads that you can run here, okay, there are 6 types of ads. There's six different types of ads you can run here, guys. 6. So the first one is brand awareness ads, and the next one is video ads. For example, YouTubers like me, if I want to run the ads on my video, I can use this Pinterest easily. And the next one is consideration ads, and if you want more people to consider what you're doing and to get more clicks on your website and your Pinterest pin and board as well, this ad is good for that. And get conversion is the third section here. Conversion and catalog sales. You already know what conversion means. If you already watched my email marketing lesson, conversion simply means sales. Sales. That's what conversion means. As simple as that. So right now, I just want to run the brand awareness ads just to explain in this video. I'm not going to live this ad in this video. I just want to explain to you guys in order to know how everything works. So the first thing now is this is the brand awareness, the time zone and brand awareness. But I want to change the name of this thing to my YouTube channel name. So I'll go back to my YouTube channel name and change this name now. So guys, as you see the previous video right now, just now, the section I am right now is campaign name and status right here. So I already named my campaign the name of my YouTube channel, and campaign status active, recommended, pause. Your ad will not be served. So I will still going to click in active just to explain to you guys how to set everything up. Then the next thing is to move to campaign budget and schedule. And the first thing is daily. Okay, yeah, don't make a mistake here, guys. There's 2 options here. There's either you run daily ads or you run lifetime ads. If you are working with an organization, you ask them and they tell you, okay, we want to run a lifetime ad, and their ad budget is $5. They're going to put it here and click on lifetime, and you're going to fill in their budget here, and they will get that charges every day from the payment method they link to their Pinterest. Take notes. Ask whoever your client is or wherever they are from, ask them to link their payment method to their Pinterest account before they send you the login, because some of them get skeptical of their login is with someone and they have to link payment with it. Or true, Pinterest is totally secure, but I have seen people that get curious of what I already sent you the login, I will still link my payment. So don't, to avoid anything like that, that can really get the project cancelled, guys. Take note of that. Don't forget to ask the clients to send you the login after linking their payment method. Okay, tell them that because you want to run the ads, let them know the reason why you really need them to do that. Or get the login in your location. So guys, in this daily ads budget, I want to put $5 here. So I already add 5 here, and so the charges of $5 per day, and it's daily. And how many days do I want to run this for? Actually, let's say the ads is going to start from today. If I'm going to pick the option of lifetime ads, I'm going to click on run continuously. But right now, I just want to put a specific date here. So I'm going to click on this date here, and from now till let's say on the 10th, just 3 days ads, guys. So after clicking on this section, the next thing to do is to click on continue. Then after continue, that's whereby I will add my video. Okay, sorry, this is brand awareness, so I will add the next thing. Just wait for it to load, guys. This has group name, and the same name I used earlier is what I'm going to use here. And you're going to use your buyer's brand name there. Okay, we connect with your users. We target people who are already interacting with your brand. Like this is just to boost more brand awareness. Find new customers. Choose your own. For example, I want to find new customers. That's why I click on new customers. Find new customers. So basically, we want to run brand awareness ads. We need new customers, of course. So this section is talking about the location. Which country do you target in your audience? Like, what is your targeted audience, and what age, duration, and every other thing we add them in this section. So thereafter, if you are done adding those things here, we need to create a pin or select a pin. So I'm going to click on select pin, and I will click on the specific pin I've already pinned on this Pinterest. Okay, let's say this one is attractive clothing. I'm going to click on clothing. Then this pin, I already added a link in the pin while creating the pin and board, which is very, very easy and straightforward. Then I'm going to click on add pin. So guys, the pin is already here. I just have to talk about this tutorial. So don't forget this above section here, add all the necessary things, which are like the location, the territory of the client, and this is the pin I added, and this is awareness/clothing. As you can see, this is the URL I already added in the pin when I created it. So these are the product images that are in the carousel pin I created. Carousel simply means you being able to add multiple images at once, so that when the ad is live, it could be scrolled like as in like a slide, like all the images you had in the carousel will have their own special link under, and it will display the website immediately a particular audience click on it. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to make everything fast as I can, and I hope I covered every lesson here. So the next thing to do is, after this, then the next thing to do is to click on the next thing is to go to the payment method on this Instagram on this Pinterest account and link the payment method. Then come back here and click on this publish. As you can see, guys, the buyer or you click on this publish here. But we've already set everything up. Okay. I will delete the ads now. I'm not supposed to click on publish because I have not linked payment method. Okay, so the next thing, as you can see guys, the next thing is brought up now is payment method. So once you click on publish, you will take your buyers or you personally to the payment method, and you will link your payment method here. Then boom, the next thing is your ads will be live automatically. Thank you very much guys for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Kindly like, comment in the comment section below, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, stay connected with me every time. I will be publishing a new video every day. I promise to do that, and stay blessed guys. Bye.